you chose a few of us, very few in terms of percentage, to assist you in the management of the affairs of this country. Your Excellency, you have a very high expectation of all of us, just like the people of Kenya have. The President of the Republic of Kenya, seated here today, signed a 5-year contract with the people of Kenya, subject to renewal on performance and subject to termination on non-performance. As a Deputy President and Principal Assistant, I can tell you today, the President has no intention whatsoever to have his contract terminated by the people of Kenya. His very intention is to have it renewed, and therefore those working under him must perform and perform efficiently. So on a day like this, what I have seen this morning, I'm a bit worried. The day you are signing performance contracts is a very important day because it marks the beginning of performance. Mimi najua hapa kwa hii Ikulu. Nataka nimwambie siri kidogo tu, especially those of us who came with the president from the political space and who are his friends, and we assisted him to become president. Once he gives us a job, that is the termination of that friendship. The friendship with the president will be based on nothing but performance. Performance. And me, I know. Mimi masomo yangu yuko chini kidogo, lakini I know a few things. Mimi, I know my relationship with the president is not based on my 20-year friendship with him, and I assisted him in the campaigning. It is based on performance. And I know if I don't perform, that relationship will be strained. I want to urge you today when he's here, please perform. Perform. Because the president has a performance contract with the people of Kenya, and it is your performance that will assist him to fulfill that contract. So let us all do what we have to do, and let us be efficient. When I joined the Kenya School of Administration, in those years we were taught the worst style in management is management by crisis, known as firefighting. That is what most of us have been doing. You wait until the last minute, the deadline is when you are running around. Your Excellency, before I call you, I just wanted to comment about one matter. Last week, you took a decision to limit foreign trips by all these people sitting here to a certain number in a year, which is very unfortunate. That should not have been the case. People should have regulated themselves to travel when it is necessary. But because of the opulence, that all ministers and PSs were out of the country most of the time, the president had to put a stop and say you can only do so much. And sometimes I wonder, why do you have to honor every invitation that you have been given